75 degrees, dew point 56, and relative humidity was 51%. The wind was west at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 inches and falling. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees, dew point 57, and relative humidity was 53%. The wind was west at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and steady. Elsewhere across Ohio, it was sunny and temperatures were between 72 and 76 degrees. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio, it was sunny with a temperature of 73 at Pittsburgh and 71 at Erie, Pennsylvania. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 75 at Detroit, 75 at Indianapolis, and 70 at Chicago. At Buffalo, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 68. The extended forecast for north central Ohio.
Finally. And it died.
This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG690 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in
41 minutes
the
late.
test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. This is NOAA Weather Radio WMG690 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest